you have it. The electric vehicle pretty much all across the board beat the diesel vehicle. And I gotta say, I didn't think it was gonna do well on the pole test, mostly because this diesel has a lot more traction. But they are almost identical weights, so I don't know. I got nothing for you. This EV vehicle is very, very impressive. And if you're a truck driver and you drive these on a daily basis, it's even more impressive.